It is time for better food. If you love fries, and who doesn't, you're in for a treat.
Yeah, there is a new restaurant in Cromwell that's all about the fries.
Yeah, from truffle farm to barbecue to taco fries, Jefferson Fry Company has a variety of options.
And the Jefferson Fry Company managers, Emmet and Devon are here to make some of their incredible fries. My mouth is already watering. I can't wait till we show you some of the pictures later. This is like, you've made a meal out of fries, which is a dream for a lot of people.
That's right, that's right. And ever since fries were introduced into America, apparently, that's where our name comes from, Jefferson Fry Company. Thomas Jefferson, being the third president, requested French fries at his inaugurational dinner.
We have him to thank?
That's interesting.
That's right,
right,
that's right.
Well, he went to France under the Washington administration.
That's
and that's
right.
where he,
if you know your Hamilton facts, he was in France for quite a while. Okay.
That's
I knew
right.
that beforehand,
That's right.
but that's all right.
All right, how do we get started?
So we kind of figured that after 200 years of French fries being a side dish, we're going to put it front and center.
Love
so
it.
we're just going to get our fries cooking here now. Today, guys, we're going to cook the fusion fries for you guys.
Okay.
We got a combination of 3 different sauces. So it's cooked French fries. We put some grilled chicken on, which Devon can get started there now.
Got it.
Hoisin sauce, sriracha sauce, a garlic mayo that we make in store, and then we're going to put some top it off with some crushed peanuts and cilantro.
Wow.
Wow. So it's kind of like meat and potatoes, only better, but it's all on the fry.
Right.
So while we're cooking this chicken, I just want to show some people what you're in for if you go to this restaurant. You no longer just need the side of fries. We've got some pretty incredible, like, what's this one? Take a look. What's that one? Is that chili?
That's the barbecue fries, yep. That's a slow-cooked pulled pork that we cook in store. This is the beef chili actually right here as well. And that's a combination of all our different French fries there that you see there as well.
Portobello mushrooms, custom fries, curly fries.
Curly fries. We have the pesto fries.
Pesto fries.
French fries just with some pesto, diced tomatoes, and Parmesan. Chicken curry fries.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
So is this dinner?
Tasty.
This isn't a side? Or
It can be whatever you want. It can be a midday snack. It can be lunch. It can be dinner. It can be whatever you want.
Okay, all right.
Our fries, and here we have one more here.
Yeah, bacon cheese fries. So we get the slab smoked bacon, diced and deep fried, with cheese sauce on top. And this is our fusion fries. This is the one we're going to make for you guys.
That's what we're making right now.
Making right now?
Yep. Poutine, the Canadian classic.
Oh, wow.
Cheddar cheese curds topped with store-made gravy. You have a chicken sandwich right there.
That looks delicious, and you've got the burger. So you could just get a burger
burger.
and fries on the side, but the nice thing about Jefferson Fry is that you could just kind of get, it could be your whole meal. You even do sweet potato fries if you want to be
Sweet potato fries, yeah. We've
healthier.
got the curly fries over here as well, straight with fries and crinkle fries.
Are fries healthy in any way?
Yes.
They are. Tell us how. so not in any way are they
Well,
healthy.
we're a little bit different to most of the fast food restaurants in that we use beef tallow to cook our French fries.
Okay.
Apologies to all the vegetarians and vegans out there, but we are working on an option for that as well.
Okay.
So we use beef tallow primarily because it reduces our carbon footprint as a restaurant because
it does. Okay.
Beef tallow being a byproduct of beef production.
So they're environmentally friendly fries.
Well,
to a degree.
we like to think so, yeah.
So, I mean, well, fries are just potatoes, and sometimes they're getting a little bad rap because people are trying to avoid white things, but this is it's a vegetable. It just happens to be fried, so it's a little bit indulgent, but you're getting, I guess, at least at the Jefferson Fry Company, we're getting all the food groups in one.
Well, that's it. And you know, we quality is our thing as well. I mean, we're battling quality and price every day, but you know, even with our burgers, we use short rib beef for our burgers. We make everything in store. Our fried chicken sandwiches, we portion them and bread them in store. Our French fries are hand cut in store every day. And all the ingredients that you see here in front of them are prepared every day in the restaurant as well.
So I want to help you get started so that we can finish this one. Now, this one again is the chicken fusion one?
Yep.
All right, and there's cilantro, which I love. Do you want me to chop some of this?
That'd be great. Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Very good
Dennis
at
and I are
chopping.
mostly accustomed to eating fries off our kids' plates.
Yes.
When we say we don't want any, and then we get it.
fries, but then the kids get them and we end up finishing them up.
So this is a more intentional way. If you go to Jefferson Fry, you can. So you guys opened recently?
Yeah, we opened in November, yeah.
Nice.
And where did the concept come from, the idea, as you guys were sitting around saying, hey, let's open a French fry restaurant? How did that come about?
Well, to go back a little bit again, I guess I grew up, my parents had a food truck when myself and my brother were little kids, and that kind of morphed into a little fish and chip restaurant that I grew up. So from the age of 6, I was hand-cutting French fries back in Ireland. So you could say the apple doesn't fall too far from the tree.
Yeah.
Apparently not.
Yeah.
Apparently not.
So yeah, it's kind of in the blood, I guess.
Have you ever tried a recipe that you said, that's not going to work? You know, as you try these different fried things, you find one that's like, that's not going to...
Not really, because I just love French fries. I love everything about the French fries, and I don't think there's too many ingredients out there that don't go with French fries.
In our final minute, we want to be able to plate this up. So let's show us how it works.
All right.
We get that grilled chicken based up over there.
Okay, so you do want me to try? We're cooking the grilled chicken, which you could do this at home, although it's probably not going to be the same as if you go to Jefferson Fry.
Right.
So do you want me to cut the grilled chicken or does the whole breast go?
Yeah, so we'll dice it. So just cut it into some strips.
Okay, is that good for you?
Yeah,
Like that?
perfect, yep.
All right. And you're using all, nice, like you said, you use the beef oils and then good grilled chicken. So you are getting lots of protein and stuff
So
here.
you want to turn that sideways now?
I'm going to let you make it pretty.
No added hormones or antibiotics.
30 seconds left. Can you get it done?
All right, yep.
You can do
Dice
it.
that up here.
All right.
And now we're gonna.
And our, you want the
fries right
chicken?
here.
Grilled chicken on there, yeah.
Okay.
Right on top.
And then cilantro too, or you the sausage
Cilantro
first?
goes on last.
Okay. Why don't you squirt it up how you like it?
So we got some hoisin
Fusion,
here.
they're called fusion French fries, right?
That's it.
Hoisin,
Hoisin sauce,
right.
yep.
Some garlic sauce, or actually sriracha.
sriracha, hoisin. Oh, so this is gonna have some
Wow.
kick to it.
Yeah,
gonna
the
be sweet
hoisin will
and
balance it
spicy,
out.
yeah.
Okay.
And then this is a garlic mayo going on top of that right there.
Oh my gosh. And now
Crushed
some of
peanuts over
this.
there.
Crushed peanuts before that.
Oh,
So grab a little bit of those.
it's like pad thai on French fries or something.
It's
And
an
I'll
Asian
let you add some
fusion,
cilantro on top.
That's amazing.
Okay.
And there you go, right
All
there.
right, Dennis,
Food
you're
and
gonna try a little fry?
It's not on my plan, but that's all right. I will try one.
It's really good. All right, so something new. I
Excellent.
hope we go check it out. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, anytime.
Devon,
Yeah.
Emmet, thank you very much.
All right, to see Jefferson Fry Company's delicious menu and lots of options, you can visit jeffersonfryco.com.
You can also keep up to date with them on Instagram and Facebook. Just search Jefferson Fry Co.
All right, there are a lot